Holy smokes, it's already December. What does that mean? It means it's time to set goals for 2022. And that's exactly why 3 years ago, I started publishing the annual guide to Colorado real estate investing. What I love about this book is it's a crowdsourced book where it's investors around Denver, around Colorado Springs, all around Colorado, where they are sharing their goals and their investing strategies on what they are doing to go out there and build their portfolios and work towards their financial goals. And what's so fascinating about it is so many people have so many different little nuances on there and different strategies. So it's a great way to learn and network from other people. But the reason I'm recording this is because I'm asking you, yes, you listening or watching to this, to please write a chapter in this book. Last year, we had 32 investors write a chapter in the book. And my goal for 2022 is to have more than 32 people write the book, 33 or more. If we're below that, I'm going to be unhappy with myself and the community. So please go out here and contribute a chapter. And I don't care if you're experienced or you're brand new. I have people talk to me, oh, well, Chris, I'm on my first house hack, or I'm on 0 properties, or I'm on 3 properties. I don't have anything to share. Yes, you do. Because there are people who's always one step behind you that they can learn from you. But most importantly, you writing on your goals is a powerful way for you to go out there and achieve your goals. But it's so much more powerful to write it down versus just talking about it. Secondly, you're going to go out there and share it in a public format. This book, a few thousand people around Denver and Colorado will read this book. Go out there and share it with them so they can hold you accountable. And the last thing is, it's a great way to go out there and do some networking at scale. People can read your chapter, then get to know who you are and connect with you. It's a phenomenal way to network. And we all know that in real estate, networking is a vital part of building a successful portfolio. So please contribute to this book. I'm always honored and privileged when people write a chapter in this book. And I know it's tough for people. I know many people have their own skeletons in the closet when they do it, but please do it. And if you have trouble doing it, you need help, please reach out to me. I'm happy to give you some help, give you some guidance. But here's the bottom line. I need the submissions by January 15th because we'll start publishing the book soon after that. So by January 15th, I need the guidelines, or I need your chapter. And to get the guidelines, go to the link in the show notes or email me. I'm happy to email it to you. It lists out all the basic points on there. And to sum it up, what it takes is don't overcomplicate it. Just go out there, share your goals, share what you're doing, and share what you want to do in the future, and we'll publish it in the book. So I would be very grateful and also very honored if you wrote a chapter in the 2022 edition of the book. Thank you.